Hey guys, Andee Del-Orbe here and welcome to my channel. Today I will be reviewing this Victiv T72 tripod. Things that I do like about this tripod is how smooth it moves up and down, pans up and down, the way it moves side to side. Another thing I do like about this tripod is that it has a handle here, but I wish that they would have added this rubber so all three legs, not just one. It's just in case you're in a situation like I was, where I just wanted to grab it by the closest leg to me and just go. So this is the Monopod. Maybe they can find a way to incorporate the rubber onto the Monopod because it was very cold for me to hold while I was outside. So maybe if they add a rubber that clips on and you can take it off and put it on the Monopod when you're ready to shoot with the Monopod, that will be great. Another thing I did forget to mention is that the base plate comes out so easy. You can actually put the camera back easy as well. See? The thing is that when I'm using my DSLR on this tripod, I actually have access to the battery compartment. I don't have to worry about taking off the base plate from the DSLR. I just have to put the battery in the battery compartment and that's it. Leave the base plate on and slap the camera to the tripod. When you grab this tripod and you feel this tripod in your hands, you feel that you're holding a professional tripod. So good job Zomi on this new tripod because I really like it. It's better than what I expected. I spent I think like $18 on a different tripod. I went cheaper because I just thought you take any tripod and you're good. All you gotta do is slap a camera to it and you're good to go. I did not know that quality actually does matter. Now, if you buy just any tripod, you're gonna eventually want to buy a new tripod. So instead of putting yourself in a predicament where I bought this tripod, I'm not satisfied, I need to buy a new one, invest on a good tripod. This is actually my first review, guys, so show me some love, hit like, subscribe, and if I did a horrible job, please tell me how I can do better. And thank you guys for watching, if you guys are still watching. See you guys.